Hey everyone, today we will apply this streak fire animation in Figma. There will be no plugins required for this. So let's get started. So first I will create one rectangle, press R, this rectangle. I will make sure that the corners should be rounded like this, 100% rounded. I think maybe 80 is fine. Yep, 80 is kind of fine. Now you shift and rotate it like this. Make the first corner to be 0. Ah, make it 10. Use shift again and rotate it like this. Like maybe like this. Okay. Now command D and shift so that we have duplicate of that one. You can see there are two of this. Alright, this looks very much similar to what we are getting. Yeah. Now the problem is the color. So let's change the color to this thing to red. Nahi. Maybe yellow, orange. Yep, that looks pretty much nice. Maybe this much. We have to copy the same thing. So I will go with this color. So we have a duplicate of this. Just for the better sake, I will command this thing and make it shorter. Like this. I know you can't see it, so we will change the color to little bit brighter so that we can all see this thing. Yes. Alright, let's duplicate this one. Okay, now we have to rotate it like very small without any kind of, maybe like this, yeah. And middle one we can rotate it like this. So yeah, now we need to prototype this thing. Press prototype tab here, select this one, go here, correction from on click to off delay, 1 millisecond is pretty fine. Dissolve to Smart Animate. These out is fine. Let's go with it. Do the same here. Make this thing to, and yeah, after delay, 1 millisecond. Yeah. So for both of them, I have make 1 millisecond. Let's play this thing. How this thing will work. Let's see. Hey, pretty bad. Very bad. I don't like this. Let's make it 20. Hey, too much bad. Hey, very bad. Hiyo, I don't like this. Maybe 70 is better. Hmm, nah, nah. Hiyo, nayo, gentle. It's kind of similar to what we know, but we can do one thing. I know it doesn't look like. I can just make it look like that one. So yeah, this much change will make it look like this. Thanks for watching my channel. Now in the YouTube description, please go here and press subscribe button and try to give the all thing here. Thank you very much.